Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to export file as Webp from Inkscape. It may be really important format if you would like to upload your image on website, because the compression level is really good here. Okay, so what we need to do now, we must go to the left upper corner and click on File, and here you will see a lot of really great settings, but we need to go to Export Settings. You need to select this option or use shortcut Shift Ctrl E. So I click on this option. Then I recommend you to select all objects that you want to export. So for example, I will do it now. Then we need to go to selection mode. And now you need to move your cursor down and click on this option. And here we need to scroll down. And the last format is Webp. So I select this format. Of course, your file name should change here to Webp. I will edit this file name to G10. And then if everything is ready, you can click export button. Okay, so now your file should be successfully exported as Webp format. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, because it really supports my work, and it's everything that I prepared for you in this video, and thanks you for watching.